Hey there! Tired of banging your head against the wall trying to make money with affiliate sites? No worries, we've got your back. We've stumbled upon this awesome trick that'll have you raking in cash without breaking a sweat. It's like finding a shortcut to that sweet passive income. Want to know more? Check this out. AutoNichePro. This cool new AI thing that's totally changing the game. It's like having a magic wand for making affiliate sites, you know? In just a minute, it whips up these ready-to-go sites that Google loves. And get this, it works for any niche you can think of. The best part? It fills them up with videos, content, and pics that you don't have to worry about copyright stuff. Pretty sweet deal for anyone looking to make some cash online without all the hassle. It's like your own personal website factory, but way easier and faster. AutoNichePro is seriously loaded with some game-changing stuff that puts it way ahead of the pack. You can churn out as many auto-updating, money-making niche sites as you want, and they're all Google-friendly with fresh content ready to roll. It's packed with content, videos, and pics that are 100% copyright-free, so you can hit the ground running. Want to make killer affiliate sites? This thing's got you covered in tons of niches and languages. It's all about those SEO-friendly sites with trending content and offers, and you don't have to lift a finger. You can legally snag hot content, articles, and videos from top platforms and turn them into cash. There's a bunch of proven templates for leads and promos, plus a super easy editor. Just drop in a keyword and boom, you've got a set-it-and-forget-it content system. It'll drive targeted social traffic to your offers like nobody is business. You'll be swimming in leads right in your favorite autoresponder or dashboard. It's optimized to climb those Google rankings. It hooks up with popular affiliate networks to make you money on autopilot. You can plug it into all the major autoresponders and social media apps. It'll even translate your hot offers into any language based on location. How cool is that? Oh, and it comes with a commercial license. Plus, there are like 50 more features. They've thought of everything. Curious about how it works? No worries. Just click the link below and you can watch a demo that shows off all the awesome stuff AutoNichePro can do. It's super easy to use and packs a real punch. Why not give it a shot? You've got nothing to lose.